Hello, you lovely lot. How are you? So today's Halloween look includes crimped hair. Oh my god, this is taking me back to the 90s and I am loving it. This is the look. It's all about the hair and the makeup combination. I'm going to show you how to do both. It's really, really easy, and this is how. Okay, better start by brushing my hair, which I rarely do, but I need to for this. Then I'm taking a comb and I'm using the metal end to create a centre parting. Going from the kind of like centre of the nose upwards to make sure it's right in the middle. Tying half my hair back because my hair is so thick, so I need to do this to make sure that I get it styled as best as possible. Now I'm taking the GHD Platinum Styler. This is an amazing straightener. Obviously you can use it for other things as well, but I am straightening my hair, and as you can see, I'm not very precise when it comes to straightening. I don't take really small sections. I kind of just go for it, I suppose. But I love this because it gets my hair really straight and sleek. Okay guys, this is exciting. This is the GHD Contour Crimper. It's a crimper, people. I am so excited. I think the last time I crimped my hair I was a teenager, but look at this. Ooh. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I am obsessed. So what I'm doing is I'm taking sections and holding the crimper down for about 5 to 10 seconds. So I'm laughing at my face with how much joy this is giving me. And I'm just going to keep doing this throughout the hair. Yes. So I'm going all around the bottom first, still keeping that section pinned up just to make sure that that's out of the way and that I get to crimp all of my hair. One of the other things that I've discovered since having this crimper actually is that if you just crimp the roots of your hair, it literally gives you the most amazing volume ever. And if you want to do your hair in a textured plait, just put it in the ponytail, crimp the ponytail and plait it. It looks incredible, honestly. It just kind of adds a bit of difference to your hairstyle, and it's so easy to use as well. I'm literally so happy, and I don't know why I keep closing one eye as if that's helping me crimp. So the bottom is done. Very pleased with myself, and now I'm going to do the top section of the hair. So literally repeating what I did, taking, I'm going to say it's about 10 centimeters wide sections, going down the hair and just crimping away. Right, that's it done. The crimping is complete, but I'm going to tie that all out of the way for now whilst I beautify my face. Using a bit of Benefit's Hello Happy as my foundation, followed by Precisely my brow pencil to define their brows, and then going on to the eyes. I'm using this kind of mushroomy tone colour from the Urban Decay palette, going right up to the eyebrow, just in the inner corner as you can see, and then out, kind of buffing it outwards to create a kind of blown out smoky eye to start with. Then I'm taking this black, it's got a little shimmer in it, and I'm just going over the top of that mushroom tone. Next up, I'm taking the Victoria Beckham black eyeliner. This is such a jet black. I love it. Putting it into the waterline and then under the lower lash line as well. See how I'm holding that pencil vertically to do that. Then what I'm going to do is blend that down slightly, and this is so soft. It blends really, really easily. Then I'm going to do my old eyeliner trick. If you've been following me for a while, you'll know it. You're going to see it in a second. It is using my finger to flick up the eyeliner at the ends. Now for one of my favourite, Estee Lauder Magnificent Metal. This is a silver tone, and I'm just patting this over the eyelid to give that bit of glitter. Yes. Got to add a bit of glamour and some great lashes using Benefit's Bad Girl Bang Mascara for that full-on drama. Now for some Hoola bronzer. My favourite, just contouring slightly to add a bit of warmth to the skin. Oh my goodness. Okay, Gypsy Shrine. They've outdone themselves this year with this amazing kind of superwoman, glitterati, stick-on things of joy. This is the Catwoman one. I'm just using the ones under the eyes. Look at those. Right, taking that hair out. Another reason I love crimping is because look how much, seriously guys, the volume, I just literally have taken it from a ponytail and kind of zhuzhed it a bit, and it's looking great. And now I'm taking that comb and back combing at the roots. Then my new thing, hair clips. Love a hair clip. These are from Zara. Just popping those in because why the hell not? Now I'm going to do a little bit of lips. I'm using that Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette again. Just taking a dark berry shade, making the lips a little bit more pointy so that they're more Halloweeny. I'm also going to mix a little bit of red in and then extend the outer corner of the lips as well. And that is it. I love it. So this is my vamped up Halloween look. I hope you love it. I'm obsessed with the crimped hair. Guys, I'm going to yoga in a minute. I'm literally going to wear my hair like this. I'm not even joking. I love it. And then obviously with the makeup, it all comes together. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you have and subscribe as well. And I'll see you all very soon. Bye guys.